What is a dividend growth stock? A dividend growth stock is simply a company that doesn't just pay dividends, but regularly increases them over time. Instead of getting the same payment each year, you see your dividends rise bit by bit, almost like receiving a pay rise from your investments. Why does it matter? It matters because this is one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. Dividend growth stocks give you the comfort of regular income, but with the added benefit that the income grows. That growth helps your money keep up with inflation and gives you the reassurance that your investments are quietly working harder for you without you needing to do anything extra. It's a bit like planting a tree that produces more fruit every season. And here's where the contrast comes in. Some companies pay higher dividends right away, so-called high-yield stocks, but they often don't grow those payments much over time. Dividend growth stocks usually start with smaller payouts, but those payouts steadily rise, and in the long run they can overtake today's higher yielders. Here's a simple example. Imagine you buy shares in a company that pays £1 per share in dividends. If you own 100 shares, you'll collect £100 in the first year. Now, if that company increases its dividend by 5% every year, your second year payment would rise to £105, and by the fifth year you'd be receiving more than £120 from the exact same 100 shares. You haven't bought more shares or added extra money, yet your income has grown simply because the company rewards you more generously each year. Over decades, that kind of increase can snowball into very meaningful sums, especially if you reinvest those dividends into more shares, creating a compounding loop of rising income and growing ownership. What else should you know? Not every company can raise dividends consistently. Some only manage it during good years. The most dependable dividend growth stocks tend to be large, stable businesses with healthy profits. Think of companies in everyday sectors like consumer goods, healthcare, or utilities. In the US, there are groups known as dividend aristocrats and dividend kings, which are companies that have increased their dividends for 25 years and 50 years in a row, respectively. In the UK and elsewhere, while the labels are different, many well-known companies also have strong records of dividend growth. Of course, growth isn't guaranteed. If earnings fall, debt rises, or the economy takes a turn, dividend growth could slow down, be frozen, or even be cut. That said, many investors find comfort in choosing businesses with long track records of reliable increases, because there's something reassuring about knowing that next year's dividend will likely be bigger than this year's. To sum it all up, a dividend growth stock is a company that steadily raises its dividends year after year. For investors, this means income that grows naturally over time, keeps pace with inflation, and compounds into real wealth when reinvested. It's the investing equivalent of receiving a steady annual pay rise, quiet, reliable, and very powerful in the long run. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.